Ask yourself the question, what do you want? What do you actually want when you say that you want to get fluent in Spanish? Because saying that you want to reach conversational fluency is completely different than saying that you want to reach native level fluency. And for most people, if you're watching this video or watching this type of content, then you only really care about conversational fluency. You want to be able to have a back and forth with a native. Defining that goal actually matters a lot because a lot of people do basically a lot of distracting things that don't actually, move the needle. Because if your goal is conversations with natives, and then ask yourself the question, do conversations require reading or writing? No. So then why would we read or write to learn Spanish? And so this goes into what I mean when I say what you study. Because a lot of people are reading and writing to learn Spanish when it's not congruent with their goal, meaning it doesn't match what they want to achieve. If they want to achieve conversations, then it doesn't make sense to do anything but things that actually are included in conversations. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods, and you'll find it in the first link in the description.